Hey everyone, welcome back to the Forex Muse. Today, we're diving into something that might just change the way you approach trading forever. Here's the deal. If you think time is against you, you'll always be in a rush. But trading, it rewards patience, not urgency. Stick with me because we're about to unpack this idea, and trust me, it's a game changer. Picture this. You're staring at a chart. The candles are jumping, your heart's racing, and you're thinking, I've got to act now or I'll miss out. Sound familiar? We've all been there. But here's the secret the pros don't always tell you. Rushing in trading is like sprinting through a minefield. One wrong step and boom. So, what's the alternative? Patience. Yeah, I know, it's not sexy. It's not the adrenaline pumping montage you see in movies. But let me break it down for you with a story. Meet Alex. Alex is a trader who's always chasing the next big move. He sees a stock spiking. Bam, he's in. It dips, he's out. He's glued to his screen, refreshing every 5 seconds, convinced that time is his enemy. One day, he jumps into a trade too fast, ignores the signals, and loses big. Why? Because he let urgency call the shots. Now here's Alex 2.0. Same trader, new mindset. He's learned that trading isn't about outrunning the clock. It's about waiting for the right moment. He studies the patterns, sets his levels, and sits back. The market dips, he doesn't panic. It climbs, he doesn't chase. And when the setup finally hits, he's ready, and he wins. Here's the truth. Time isn't against you in trading. It's your ally if you let it be. The market doesn't care about your deadlines or your FOMO. It moves on its own rhythm. And the traders who win, they're the ones who sync up with that rhythm, not the ones trying to force it. So how do you master this? Tip 1. Plan your trade ahead of time. Know your entry, your exit, and your risk before you click that button. Tip 2. Zoom out. Stop obsessing over every tick and look at the bigger picture. And tip 3. Walk away. Seriously, set your trade and go live your life. The market will still be there. Trading rewards patience, not urgency. It's not about how fast you move, it's about how smart you wait. So next time you feel that itch to jump in, take a breath. Let the game come to you. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you. All right, that's it for today. If you like this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever lost a trade because you rushed it? Or won one by waiting it out? I'll see you in the next one. Stay patient, stay profitable. Peace.